In the enchanting city of London, where dreams come to life, imagine having a home that's as dreamy as the city itself. Introducing Colwith Road W6, a student accommodation that ensures your stay is comfortable, luxurious, and elegant, just as London is. Located just off the bustling Fulham Palace Road, this remarkable property offers a stunning array of non-ensuite serviced apartments. Stepping into your private bedroom, you're greeted by a cozy bed with soft linen and towels, along with a spacious wardrobe, ample storage space, and a large window. Now let's talk about the shared resort-style bathroom and gourmet kitchen that are nothing short of a dream. With water, gas, electricity, and Wi-Fi all included in the bill, it's worry-free living. And for your laundry needs, there's a washer and dryer at your disposal. And the location? Well, you're just a short drive away from both the renowned London Film Academy and the London College of Fashion. And when the wanderlust kicks in, simply hop on a train from Hammersmith Underground Station, a mere 10-minute walk away, and reach anywhere your heart desires in no time. So don't miss out. Visit amberstudent.com today and secure your spot because your dream life in London is about to begin.